Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off the thumbnail autoplay previews that load when you're hovering over thumbnails on YouTube. So you want to disable that. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your profile icon in the top right, go ahead and left click on that, and then you want to go down and select settings. On the left side, you want to select playback and performance. And then on the right side, you want to go underneath browsing where it says video previews. If you want to have video previews enabled, keep it toggled to the on position, which is indicated here with a blue circle. If you want to turn that off, just click inside the oval one time to disable it. And that's all you have to do. Pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.